This is gonna blow your mind. Cutting your gas and grocery bills in half is easier than you think. First up, gas savings. Plan efficient routes with apps like Google Maps. Carpool with friends or coworkers to share fuel costs. Keep your car in top shape, like having properly inflated tires for better mileage. Drive smoothly and avoid rapid acceleration. Take advantage of fuel rewards programs and apps like GasBuddy to find the cheapest gas. Avoid excessive idling and fill up early in the week when prices are lower. Now for groceries. Plan your meals and stick to a shopping list to avoid impulse buys. Buy non-perishables in bulk, but don't overdo it on perishables. Use coupons and cashback apps like Ibotta. Shop for seasonal and local produce and opt for store brands over name brands. Stock up on sales and consider going meatless once or twice a week. Bonus tip: use a credit card with cashback on gas and groceries for extra savings. Implement these small changes and watch the savings add up.